This board is absolutely perfect. This is really nice. We could just throw it in the car, easily put it up. This is one of the coolest ideas I've ever seen by IGL. It is a portable basketball hoop, which features a 32 by 21 inch foldable shatterproof backboard. It weighs 59 pounds, but it is perfect because it has wheels on it and you can easily wheel it off to wherever you want on your driveway or even in the grass. 3 heights to choose from to meet your needs: 4.59 feet, 6.55 feet, and finally 8.5 feet. This is super simple to put together and take apart. Now let's take a look at how easy it really is to put together. For step 1, open up the case and take everything out of there. I'm going to be setting up the 8.5 foot height, which is 4 poles. The 6.55 is 3 poles and the 4.59 is 2 poles. First thing to do is to grab pole 4, insert it into that hole, kind of wiggle it a little bit, and that is going to twist to lock it in place. And the other 2 arms are going to screw into the 2 holes at the top. For step 3, grab the backboard. You're going to open it up. There's going to be 2 locks at the bottom. Once open up, push those off to the right and the left to lock it in place. Now take the top pole 4 and you're going to hook the one end onto the backboard. Then lift it up, making sure it stays onto pole 4, and put the basket down. And finally, take off the cellophane that is on the board to protect it. Now I'm going to take pole 3 and put it into pole 4, and then finally pole 2 into pole 3, making sure I lock each end. For the final step, I'm going to lean the base with pole 1 and connect pole 2 into pole 1, and then lock it in place. Now lift it up and orient it the way you'd like it. Now fill the hoop base anchor and place it on top of the base to hold it in place. Taking this apart is super simple. Everything is labeled. Just put all the bars into the labeled places in the box and you are good to go. I love the fact that it comes with the basketball. It also comes with the pump. This board is absolutely perfect. This is really nice. We could just throw it in the car, easily put it up. I wouldn't let your kids dunk on this, but it is a perfect basketball hoop for anywhere in your driveway or on the go.